Every solar panel begins its journey inside facilities like this, where raw materials are transformed into clean energy technology.
Inside the factory, precision and automation work together to ensure every step is accurate and efficient.
Skilled workers oversee the process, making sure machines perform exactly as required.
Even in a highly automated environment, human supervision remains essential.
Each panel moves through carefully planned stages before it is ready for real-world use. The process begins with raw materials, silicon, glass, and metal frames, delivered and inspected inside the factory.
High-purity silicon is essential as it directly affects the efficiency of the final solar panel.
Each batch is tested to ensure it meets strict quality and purity standards. At a microscopic level, silicon's structure allows it to convert sunlight into electricity. These machines slice solid silicon into ultra-thin wafers, the foundation of every solar cell.
Once prepared, the silicon is sliced into wafers, just fractions of a millimeter thick.
These wafers must be perfectly uniform to ensure consistent electrical performance.
Automation allows the factory to handle these fragile components without damage. To protect them from contamination, wafers are moved through controlled clean room environments.
From here, the wafers move into the heart of the manufacturing process.
Inside these furnaces, silicon wafers are treated at extremely high temperatures.
This thermal processing improves the electrical properties of the silicon.
Carefully controlled temperatures ensure each wafer is treated evenly.
Engineers monitor every parameter to maintain absolute precision. Even small adjustments can make a significant difference in panel efficiency.
After heat treatment, the wafers are gradually cooled to stabilize their structure. Controlled cooling prevents internal stress and prepares the wafers for the next stage. Next, the wafers move into chemical processing to enhance their photovoltaic behavior.
These treatments modify the surface of the silicon, allowing it to respond efficiently to sunlight.
Precision and consistency are critical at this stage. At this point, the wafer begins to take on its role as a solar cell.
An anti-reflective coating is applied to reduce sunlight loss.
This automation ensures identical quality across thousands of cells.
These fine metal contacts collect the electricity generated by the cell.
Now fully formed, each solar cell is ready for final assembly.
Finished cells are transported carefully to the assembly hall for integration into panels.
Robots place each cell accurately to maximize electrical efficiency. The protective glass is carefully added to shield the cells from damage and weather. Lamination fuses the layers together, ensuring durability and weather resistance.
These completed panels are ready for final inspection.
Every panel undergoes rigorous testing before shipment.
Automated inspections ensure each panel meets high-quality standards.
Edge frames provide structural support for handling and installation.
This careful handling ensures the panels arrive at installation sites safely and intact. Robots carefully arrange each panel in precise order for final packaging.
Every panel is checked to ensure proper alignment and spacing before sealing.
Protective layers safeguard the panels during transit.
Hydraulic presses ensure a secure seal, preventing damage in shipping.
Once packaged, panels are transported to testing stations for quality verification.
Each panel is tested under controlled lighting to ensure maximum efficiency. Technicians verify performance data and traceability using advanced scanning systems.
Panels are then organized for shipping, ready to leave the factory safely. Electric forklifts handle the panels with precision, reducing any risk of damage. Finally, the panels are loaded for delivery to installation sites worldwide. Panels are secured with protective layers to ensure they remain intact during transit. Each panel is rigorously tested under simulated sunlight to verify output performance. Data is recorded for quality assurance and traceability.
Advanced tracking ensures every panel can be traced from factory to installation site.
Panels are carefully organized for loading onto delivery trucks.
Forklifts transport panels efficiently while minimizing any risk of damage.
Panels are loaded onto trucks, ready to reach installation sites worldwide. Careful handling ensures the panels arrive safely, ready to generate clean energy.
Installed panels begin converting sunlight into electricity for homes and businesses.
Across cities, solar panels are helping reduce carbon emissions and provide renewable energy. From a single wafer to an entire solar farm, the journey of energy transformation is complete. Every panel represents advanced engineering and meticulous craftsmanship. Technicians ensure the installed system operates at maximum efficiency.
Solar energy is now powering homes across neighborhoods, reducing reliance on fossil fuels.
From the raw silicon in our factory to the solar panels lighting up cities and homes, each panel is a step toward a sustainable future. Every ray of sunlight captured represents precision, innovation, and our shared commitment to clean energy. From a single panel to entire neighborhoods, solar power is transforming the way we harness energy. Clean, efficient, and sustainable. Every panel, every ray of sunlight contributes to a brighter, cleaner future, Soren. A world powered by innovation and renewable energy.